Good morning and welcome to the channel. It's your boy Zay, aka Chevy Speed 903, and today we have another car review. Today I have a 2012 Chrysler 300. Look at the color, like a gray material type of color, gray color. No silver mirrors. The car is in immaculate condition. The car is nice, 2012 model. Nice 20% tinted windows at the front, 5% at the back. The car is nice, man. All I can tell you is nice. You know, the Vogue tires with the Chrysler rims. This thing is nice, man. Got some nice grip on them too. Some nice grip on the tires. The size tires, the tires are 16s. It's pretty nice. The owner told me that they had got this didn't come on the car right here, so they had got that to come on the car. How you doing? Just vlogging.
Vlogging?
Yes, sir.
You ever thought about something like that, man?
Marines?
Yeah.
Actually, I thought about the Air Force when I was in high school, but I ain't get to go. I only had sponsored by you know, car manufacturers and all that good stuff, but so far I haven't got anything yet. I mean, I'm just going to school and work. I work at the boys club. I'm the athletic director down there.
Oh, okay, I got you.
Yes, sir.
So what do you like? What does that entail then?
That's just like helping the community out, like the kids come to play sports at the boys club and all that good stuff.
Yeah.
That's all they do so far.
Right on, man.
Sir. That's my YouTube. That's my YouTube name, Chevy Speed 903.
Chevy Speed 903.
Yes, sir. You should subscribe and watch my videos.
Check it out, I'm gonna write it down.
All right.
Chevy.
Yes, sir.
Speed.
Yes, sir. Speed 903. But when you put it in YouTube, you have to put a space between Chevy and Speed.
Oh, do I?
Yeah.
I'll make sure to do that right here. So, what kind of videos you make?
Long.
That's good though, man. But I'll let you get back to it. I'm gonna check you out tonight on YouTube. So
thank you, Sergeant.
I'll see you tomorrow, man.
All right, see you.
All right.
Take it easy.
You too.
Like I was saying, 20% windows at the front, 5% at the back. Like I said, the tires is mayonnaise and mustard. The rims are in perfect condition. Like everything's in perfect condition. They say they got the car in 2012 when it first came out. Got some Vogues on there. Like I was saying about this part right here. The owner said it did not have these. They had got that with the car. I mean, they wanted to get it put on, so they added that on there on both sides. Yeah. At the back, you guys the camera, backup camera. To open the trunk, just pop that open right there. Opens the trunk. Yeah. It's nice. Let's take a look in the inside. In the inside of this bad boy, in the inside, I like the inside. I like the steering wheel has control on each side. Have the Chrysler emblem right here in the middle. Nice steering wheel. Yeah, the dash has, you know, something minor, not too much. I mean, I like the dash. It goes to 140. Yeah. So over here we have the door panels. Door panels is nice. I mean, they just need to be cleaned up a little bit, I guess you could say. Like the wood grain right here right there. Controls right here, control everything. This is the gas cap button to release the gas and put gas off in there. And right here we have all the wood grain. The controls to the AC is dual climate control, so I can control my side, and my passenger was over here. He or she can control their side. And it has a CD slot. What's this? Oh, that doesn't come up. No keys, push to start, you know. It's pretty nice, man. It has a time right here. The clock. What's up with it? You know, in the mirror. Up here we have a sunglass holder. Pop that out. Lights. It's nice. Got some room, some good quality room in the back, as y'all can tell. And it also has a climate control at the back as well, with the charger port. It has a factory in-dash screen. See the compartment up in here. We'll have some good room up in here. And off in here is the cup holders. I don't have anything off in here, so I just, you know, leave that right there like that. And the 300 Chrysler 300 symbol on the floor mats. Now let's pull up the hood, see what's under the hood. And under the hood has a 3.6 liter motor. Look at all this stuff up there. But yeah, 3.6 liter. Everything nice, and the car is pretty fast. It is. Brake fluid access right here. Just lift that panel up and it gets you to the brake fluid, oil right here, everything. But yeah, 3.6 liter, not too much, not a V8, but I mean, it runs pretty good. It runs hard. I think the owner told me it has like 70,000 miles on here, somewhere close to that. But yeah, take a little ride. Foot on the brake. Start that bad boy up. No, we don't need no copywriting, none of that. No, not today. Oh, not today. Hell no. Safety first, no amateur. That's an amateur problem right there, no seat belts. I'm no amateur though. But we're gonna take a trip in the car. I almost said Corvette. But yeah, we're gonna take a trip in the car. Oh damn, I almost said Corvette again. Fuck. But yeah, we're gonna take a trip in the Chrysler 300 2012 model and see how it rides, you know. Throw the glasses on, you know, I'm feeling a little good today. So yeah. Off in the Chrysler. Rolling. Ooh, nice shades on. But yeah, like I was saying, man, we're in a Chrysler 300. Ride's pretty smooth, man. Yeah, ride's smooth. Wish I could play some music right now. I don't feel like going through all that copyright stuff. Some people I know out there, you know, walking the track. But yeah, like I was saying, put the windows up. Yeah. Windy outside today, but the car is in immaculate condition. Like, I mean, like, it is pretty nice, you know. Nice leather interior. Yeah, the car is nice, but it rides smooth ride, as I must say myself. I really like the Chrysler. Man, this joint right nice. I almost thought it had a sunroof. Boy, I'm about to let the sunroof back on y'all. I'm telling you, I almost thought it had a sunroof. We're really finna be down and dirty, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna have the birds looking in here, you know? But, yeah. Man, boy, this mud nice, man. Let me see how I get down and dirty real quick. Oh, yeah, I thought this was a fucking V10 going like that, man. Pretty nice, man. But the Chrysler 300 is very smooth. Like, it's smooth. Like, you don't even notice you driving. And the exhaust on here, I mean, it's a luxury car. You know, I'm in a luxury today. You know what I'm saying? I'm in a luxury. It's luxury. So we just gonna ride smooth. No, we don't need none of that loud exhaust pipes. Like I'm saying, we don't need none of that. We just gonna ride smooth. Ride through the city. It's pretty nice, man. Go on and get your Chrysler 300. You will not regret it at all. I kid you not, you will not regret it. It's a nice car, man. Smooth as hell. But yeah. I'm gonna drive to this Nissan place and check out another car. See what's going on up there. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video right here. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you've been here for a while, please leave a comment of what you think about the Chrysler 300 review. And also, please leave a like. We out. Boom, boom.